This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Judy Brooks. Great location. Just a hop and a skip from most of Fairfield Glade Amenities. Features of the home are 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, split floor plan. Nicely laid out kitchen that is open to a good-sized dining area that spills into the great room with a stone fireplace. Off the foyer is a dining/den with 10-foot coffered ceiling. The partially covered deck has an automatic retractable awning. Come and see for yourself. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Brooks at 931-707-2100.